Hola clase, hoy vamos a usar Quizlet y necesito que te unas al grupo de nosotros Adelante Águilas. So I need you to join the class to be able to use Quizlet. We use Quizlet for everything. You get graded a lot for it, so I need to make sure that you're all in the class to get credit for all the work that you're going to do. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Schoology and you're going to click on the Spanish to Aguilas Quizlet class. You can also search for the class in the quiz bar. When you get there, you're going to click on it and it's going to take you to this screen. And you're going to sign up for free to request access. So make sure you use part of your name, like your first name or your last name. You can have a nickname as well, but for now, until I get to know all of your names and everything, I need you to put your name and at least an initial for your last name. So once you sign up for free access, you click on it and it'll ask you to fill this out. You could continue with Google, and that way you can be sure that you can always get in and it'll just use your correct email. If you want feedback from Quizlet, then you should use a different email because that way it can send you emails and alerts and things like that. So once you've done that, you're going to click on the 2020 Frase Útiles page. And once you get there, you're going to go to test. Don't freak out. It's a scary word. We just use it as a tool. We do use it sometimes for tests, but I use them for tests because I let you retake them until you get like a 90. But in order to use the feature the way that I like to use it, I need you to know how to do it from the beginning. So you're going to click on test. And you're going to get this screen. And you're going to go to options. Once you click on options, you're going to unclick written. Why do I want you to unclick written? Why? Because this thing is not smart enough to figure out if I put an extra space and you forgot to put the space, or if you put something on capital and I didn't put it on capital, if you forget an accent, it will mark it wrong unless it's absolutely exactly like what I wrote. So we're going to uncheck written, and I don't like the true false too much. So you don't really need to put that in there. And then we're going to set the question limit today to 40. Now, depending on what we're doing in class, I will ask you to set the question limit to different things. And once you have all that done, you're going to end up with just matching and multiple choice, which is a great practice. If you want to practice the written, by all means, you can try it through the games and even through the test. That's fine. But just know that it's going to mark you wrong on things if it's not exactly how I write it. And I'm not consistent. Sometimes I put an L in front of it. Sometimes I don't. So when you're done, click Create New Test. And you'll end up with this. You just take the test, and when you are finished, and the good thing is it has pictures too, which sometimes I make a little too easy. But really, I just like for you guys to practice. When you finish, it'll tell you to check your answers. For today, I only want you to take it once. It's very important that you only take it once because I want to see what you remember. I want to see what you know, so I know what I have to teach you in the next couple of weeks so we can do our class in Spanish. So you will not know. Not nada, no va a ser. Not going to be graded on this. You'll be graded on you took the test, you followed directions, you joined the class, 15 points. What you actually get on the test, I will record, but it is not going to go into your grade. So that way I know, hey, if at the Frases Útiles test right off the bat they got a 60, great. When we finish this, I want you to get a 90. Okay, so when we finish reviewing, it also gives me information of what words I need to practice more. Okay, so that's all I got for today. Go ahead and let me know if you have any questions. You could talk to myself or to Miss Goldstein. You can always contact me through the chat in the Zoom or through Schoology email. Thank you. Bye.